it's a zone. Why are you bored?
I've learned that there's an art to changing. That I'm the potter and the clay.
Cinematic pa talaga.
Yeah. We're here at... Where are we? Where are we?
Hindi ko alam.
We're doing ASMR. She's my seatmate and we're having a field trip.
Yes.
Where are we going?
Dora.
Look at our classmates. There.
Kasi naka-cinematic.
Pero maganda. Wala kaming
Ano oras?
Wala kaming tubig. Sige na, bye guys.
Sa office, yung nag-eye twitch.
Oh, I missed the session now.
Ano ka rin?
Bagong gising. Yung pagkaupo ko lang sa bus, tulog lang. Yan. Hi guys, we're here at... Where are we?
Where are we, Tang?
Where are we, Tangy? Where are we, Tangy?
Yung ano yung may
Where are we,
yung
Tangy?
bato-bato.
Where are we,
Bakit
Tangy?
blurred?
It's cinematic. Uy, Tangy na ako, ba't ka Tangy?
Pero hirap pa man din yung taxi kanina.
Bakit?
Kaya mo, lalagyan ko to ng background song.
Oo.
Hi guys, nag-exam po yung mga friends ko.
Review pa lang ba?
Review.
May chichaw.
For board exam.
Sarap lang naman sa pelo.
Nagpo-focus po yung isa.
Filipino are you?
Sa pela, tapos may inang
Eh,
Oo.
tsaka kape.
Sarap.
ganyan po yung mga upo nila.
Hindi ma-appreciate yung mga rich kid.
Lagi niya na lang yan sinasabi. Tinubuan ko na siya sa gagawin. Kung nasa yung dear joke,
Parang... So, lamig. Ano?
I wrote a message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you, saying I'm